Hi and welcome to another tutorial. In today's lesson we'll learn all about Higgsfield Nano Banana Pro. So anyways guys, let's jump in. So if you didn't know, Higgsfield is one of the fastest growing Gen AI companies and their mission is to be the most creator friendly platform, and now they are launching Nano Banana Pro, which is a new pro grade image engine powered by Google's Gemini 3 Pro engine model. So now with Nano Banana Pro, you can generate in up to 4K of images. So that's looking pretty good. So now let me show you how you can find it and where you can find it. So basically what you should do is you should go to Higgsfield.ai, and once you're on the site, you can sign up, and there is a Black Friday offer at the moment for the next 19 hours. And the Black Friday offer will allow you to have 1 year's worth of unlimited Nano Banana Pro generations. So that is a pretty cool deal. So I will jump on that automatically. But now let me show you how it actually works. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to image, and then I'm going to go to Nano Banana Pro. So you can see some of my images that I've been generating, and I'll show you how they all work. So the first one here is a very simple prompt which basically says to create a YouTube thumbnail for Nano Banana, and you can see what it's done automatically here. So it's used the bananas as images, and the text is actually really nice, and it's all spelled correctly and it looks perfect. And just for a few clicks, you're able to get a pretty decent YouTube thumbnail. So that's pretty cool for our first attempt. Now for this second one, this is the image that I generated. I needed to put the reference image in here, and you can have a bunch of reference images if you want, but my prompt is to create a part list from this camera. So you can see what the camera looks like, and then it was able to identify the different parts in this camera and then spread them all nicely on this image over here. And I think it's done an amazing job with creating that part list. So here's another example. So on the YouTube channel, I have this image as my little kind of header logo kind of thing, and it's basically a cartoony kind of image. So what I did is I was able to put it into Nano Banana Pro, and I said create a more realistic version of this image, and now you can see that the image that it's generated for me is much more realistic than that original cartoony graphic. So I think it's done an amazing job there. So in this image here, this is a brand kit for the YouTube channel and Learnspace Records. So I was able to put in my graphic that already contained like the text and the logos and things like that. And I said if they can create a brand kit for this. And so this is what it generated for me. So you can see the typography in there, and it's very clean text. You can see the textures that I have. You can see the different script font that I have. And I was able to use this for other image generations, and I'll show you that in a second. So in this example, I just uploaded a picture of a house, and I was able to say create a structural drawing from this image, and this is what it kind of gave me. So this is perfect for people that need, you know, these kinds of drawings, and I think it's done a really good job. So in this image, I was able to take the brand kit that I did earlier, and I was able to say create a prototype app design using the same colors, the same fonts, etc. And so now if you need to mock up, you know, quick app development or some ideas, Nano Banana allows you to visualize that concept much quicker than anything I've seen before. So in this image, I was able to upload a data set or just some data from Excel, and I was able to get Nano Banana to then generate me a dashboard. Now the data is all correct because it has the same models, it has, you know, all the same data types and things like that that are in the original piece of data. And this is exactly what I've been using it for, to help generate data dashboards that I can then go and create, you know, in various different software or things like that. So here is another cool thing that you can do with this is I've just uploaded a pin on Google Maps. It's some kind of beach area, and I just said create an image from this location, and it already knows that it's at a beach location, so therefore it's going to be close to the water, and there it gives me an image of the beach, the water, and the sunset in the background. I think that looks fantastic as well. So in this image here, we are creating a mock-up for a bus booking app. Now, I didn't have everything on my simple design, so I designed that in Lucidchart. And what I did is I was able to upload it in here, and I was able to say, finish off my design and create a prototype booking app that follows this kind of structure. And then it was able to generate this for me. So it took my structure, it was able to put the text in the right spot and things like that, have drop down boxes, etc. And then it was able to finish it off for me. And for the things that I'm doing online now at the moment, I think this is an amazing tool to get those mock-ups and those prototypes up and ready as quickly as possible. So again, another real world, real use scenario. I've got a lot of text here that, yeah, sure, it looks pretty good in text. It's all about the levels of measurement. But what I was able to do is just take a screenshot of that text. I was able to put it into Nano Banana, and then what I was able to create is an infographic that displays all of that text just in a much nicer and, you know, like a better way that will help, you know, say visual learners and things like that. So now we have actual categories for nominal, ordinal, interval, and ratio data, and it's pretty much done it in seconds. And all the text is all spot on. It looks, you know, very, very clear, and it has everything that I need. So that's it for this short tutorial on how to use Higgsfield 4K Nano Banana Pro. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching. And if you are after that 4K image quality and that, you know, image generation that can have text that you can finally read it correctly, well then this is for you. Please make sure you take up the Black Friday deal because it does end quite soon. But other than that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.